And there's a sidebar going on right now. Joining me to talk about what we are hearing is defense attorney Greg Brenner. Greg, thanks so much for joining us today on For the Record.
Thank you so much for having me. Great to be
Greg,
here.
we're great. We're really happy to have you. What do you think so far of what you're hearing from Dr. Fowler?
I, there, Yesterday's witnesses didn't work. They're scrambling right now to come up with something. They're trying to find one juror that they can speak to on that jury that will listen. I have a feeling that what he's saying now is going to be attacked. Vehemently attacked by the prosecution when they get their chance. Right now, they're talking about the tailpipe, whether the car was on. They're not saying that that was what killed him, but they're obviously trying to make that a major factor in George Floyd's death.
And I find it a little bit surprising since the Hennepin County medical examiner, Dr. Andrew Baker, said that this was a cardiac arrest caused by the law enforcement restraint of George Floyd. He said there were obviously some other contributing factors. Shouldn't they be dealing with that whole thing up front? If he's saying it's a cardiac event, Dr. Fowler, a cardiac arrhythmia that caused his death, but it was because of other things, shouldn't they be dealing with the knee on the neck and the other pressure up front for the jury?
Well, the answer to that question is that's the last thing they want the jury to be focusing on right now. So they're trying to give the jury something else to focus on, whether that's the drugs in the system, the drugs in the car, or the any type of a heart condition that he may have had before the date of this incident.
Yeah, it's hard not to focus on it though, since we have so many videos of it. Okay, thank you, Greg. Stay with us, and you at home stay with us as well. We're going to take a quick break and then take you back into the courtroom. This is For the Record on the Law and Crime Network.